how to clear YouTube cache to fix playback error. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so. So let's just dive right in with the process. You can access your phone settings for that even if you're on Android or iOS. And once you access your phone settings, you can go to apps and notifications, apps management, etc. and go ahead and tap. Now once you've tapped on it, you can find and tap on the YouTube application from the list, or you can use the search bar at the top and there basically type in YouTube and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you can just go over, scroll down, find option for storage, and then basically clear out the cache. Tap on clear cache. And if that doesn't work, you can just go over and clear data, tap on it and confirm it up to clear out the storage and also to remove your temporary files causing the issues. If not that, you can force stop the application and restart your phone before reopening the YouTube. That should also do it. For that, you can hold the app and go to their info. And within their info, you may look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And look out for the OK option, confirm it up and force stop the app. After that, you can restart your phone, hold your power button for that, tap on restart. And once you do so, you can just go over and open up the YouTube and you should be finding the YouTube cache being cleared. So that's it everybody. You may follow the simple process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.